St. Patrick's is coming. St. Patrick's Day, March 17th is coming. So you're gonna want to wear something fun that day. It's just a fun day to celebrate with music, food, and a lot of fun. If you catch my drift. Green beer, corned beef. You know, I'm gonna showcase this nice hat. I love it. It's really nice for those of us that like a more relaxed fit, because you have this. The guys at Fun World have this hat, but today we're gonna talk about this hat. So let me show you how it is. Really nice, with the nice cute band on the back, right? That gives it this nice accent to it. It's an accent band. So you, when you get it new, you open it up real nice, right? And you see how it looks. I want you guys to see how beautifully made this is. This will last you for that day and for the rest of the year. If you're one of them fighting Irish fans, you can take this hat, and people, it's gonna bring a smile on everyone's face. When I wear these funny hoodies that the Fun World people, my friend at Fun World people, sent me, every time they see me, the people see me, it brings a smile to their face, which is what you want. It's a day of fun. It's a day of, you know, celebrating for the sake of celebrating. Oh my God, I've had so much fun on St. Patrick's Day. Epic days. So I just wanted to feature this hat, and of course, from in the store you can find this beautiful hoodie that I'll be wearing until March 17 and beyond, because Easter will come, and the guys at Funny World will set us up with another beautiful hoodie. Thank you guys.